The drone community is buzzing with anticipation as fresh leaks hint at DJI's development of a cutting-edge remote controller set to redefine professional drone operations. If you're an enthusiast of drone technology, this is news you won't want to miss. Let's dive into the details. Renowned DJI insider at DL's Drone, known for accurate and timely leaks, first unveiled this sophisticated controller, sparking discussions among industry experts like Jasper Ellens. The leaked images showcase a polished, professional design, signaling DJI's intent to push the boundaries of professional-grade equipment. So, what sets this controller apart? In a word, functionality. Its standout feature is the dual antenna system, hinting at significantly improved signal transmission and extended operational range. For pilots tackling high-stakes tasks, whether intricate aerial cinematography or vital search and rescue missions, this enhanced reliability could be a game-changer. But the upgrades don't stop there. The controller's impressive array of ports includes a micro SD slot, USB-C interface, and notably, a full-sized HDMI output. The HDMI port is especially noteworthy for professionals in live broadcasting, production, and filmmaking, enabling direct video output to external monitors for real-time monitoring and seamless workflows. These capabilities position the new controller as a strong contender alongside DJI's high-end RC Pro, with hints of additional improvements that could offer a competitive edge. Speculation is mounting within the community. Some believe this could be an advanced RC3 Pro model, while others suggest it could mark the beginning of a brand new line of premium controllers tailored to professional users. The design further suggests compatibility with DJI's top-tier drones, including rumored releases like the Mavic 4 Pro or a high-performance STIN variant, which has been the subject of recent discussions. It's worth noting that these images reflect a prototype, so changes are possible before DJI makes an official announcement. However, if this controller becomes a reality, it promises to be a substantial leap forward for professionals demanding precision, reliability, and cutting-edge features. What do you think? Is this controller the future of drone operations, or could DJI have even more revolutionary developments on the way? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates on drone technology, reviews, and news. Exciting times lie ahead.